What's up, guys? This beautiful roll top desk here may be gorgeous and it may be an antique, but I think it's time for an upgrade. It's about 100 years out of date. So our friends at Flexispot sent us their latest and greatest L-shaped standing desk, fully motorized. I'm going to do a full review of that coming right up.
Now, I can't say I'm much of a student or expert on standing desks, but what I could tell you is I love having one at work. I could tell you that Jack, he's had his Flexispot for a year or two now. He loves his with his bamboo top. And I can also tell you that my 11-year-old son, when he found out I was getting a Flexispot desk, he was very jealous. Apparently, their marketing is quite effective with the preteen gamers out there, and it has been rated very highly by the gaming community. Now, I can tell you that sitting all day is not the best plan for your health, and recent science suggests that actually standing isn't that great all day either. So what you want is an ability to change positions multiple times a day. And that's where my new Flexispot E7L comes in to save the day for me. And I just want to jump in here and say really quick, make sure you check out in the description or stay till the end of the video for a code that could save you $50 on this desk at flexispot.com. So what can I tell you about my experience with this desk? I could say that it definitely lives up to its pro description. This is one of their more expensive, higher end models, the heavier duty one. It can lift over 300 pounds and has 4 preset height positions, and it has a sensor in the legs somewhere that automatically senses if the force changes a lot, like the desk is running into something, and stops the desk from moving. So that's a huge important safety feature to avoid damaging things. I could say that my standing desk at work doesn't have any of the presets or load sensing settings, and so this is a major upgrade to actually what they've given me at work. I asked Flexispot to send me their smallest desktop that can go on this E7L. An L-shaped desk is anyway pretty big, gives you plenty of space, so I didn't need it to be super big. But what's nice is it is modifiable, it is expandable to larger sizes, and you could always add a larger desktop in the future. I'm a bit of a woodworker, and I do imagine myself making a custom top in the future. The black legs should go with pretty much anything. I prefer to work with my elbows on the desk top surface when I am typing away, and the L-shaped desk is really ideal for me for that. I kind of nestle in there and put my arms on each side of the L. This is how I work at home now that I have this desk, and at work as well. And there's still plenty of space left around for other things on the desktop. The E7L starts at under $550 with it, which is, I would say, very worth it for the price. This is not cheaply made at all. They do offer other L-shaped models under $300 that you can check out on their website. I would say, in a sense, this desk is over-spec'd for my needs. I don't really need to lift 330 pounds. However, that extra sturdiness does pay off. I'm 6'2", and this thing has a range of 25 to 51 inches in height, and I can tell you that goes beyond what I need on both ends. I have mine positioned up around 47 inches when I'm standing, so that leaves an extra 4 inches going up. I mentioned how heavy duty it is. It means it doesn't shake when it's even at its highest height, which I've seen some cheaper desks and they just don't feel as sturdy. So while you may not need to lift over 300 pounds, I think you'll appreciate the extra sturdiness of this desk. Flexispot also sent me their F7D monitor stand, which is supposed to accommodate screens up to 27 inches in diagonal. My monitors are around 25.5, 26 inches, and if my monitors were any bigger, I could tell you I definitely would want to upgrade to the $10 more expensive F8LD stand. This stand here is just enough to get my monitors exactly how I want them, but like I said, if they're any bigger, if you're looking at a 26, 27 or larger diagonal on the frame of your monitor, I'd upgrade. It's just $10 more. They also sent me their MT1B standing mat. It is soft. especially when you stick it on a carpet. So it's supposed to reduce your fatigue when standing. I could say that you don't want to roll over it with a chair, so you will be moving it. Luckily, it's very lightweight, so I just move it out of the way when you go to sit down. Putting this desk together was a breeze, I would say, until I got to the tabletop installation. That's where I got a little bit stuck. This thing can accommodate different tabletops, so it doesn't provide individualized instructions for each one. What I would say, it is pretty easy to figure out, but do it upside down. I kind of failed when I had the legs standing up and I tried to go underneath and figure out what was going on. Definitely do it as they show it in the instructions. Do it upside down with the tabletops on the floor, and then when you're done, flip the table over. When I was done building in a temporary location where I was doing the construction, it was pretty easy to take out a few screws and then relocate it to my office in two larger pieces. I was able to do that actually on my own. The only thing I recommend you do that's different than the instructions is wait to put in the cable management tray. Wait till you figure out where it belongs. The instructions are kind of ambiguous on where it goes, and go and just build it, put it where you need it, put your monitors up, and just pick the right place for you. You need to kind of pre-drill new holes for it anyway. So yeah, that's my recommendation. Save that for last and just crawl underneath and put it where you need it. I do wish that the two tabletops came with a sticker on them that just said where the front of them was. That would take a little bit of the mystery out of the assembly process. I'm very happy overall that I signed up to do this review because I will be using this disc for the rest of my life. Definitely wanted a standing desk for the home. It's something I've been missing, and very glad I have it now. I am, as I mentioned, a bit of a woodworker, so I could see myself making a beautiful custom top in the future. Can make really any size given the flexibility I have with this system and the expanding frame. And so look forward to doing that in the future, but as of now I'm going to enjoy my desk as is. Flexispot has a broad array of products, and most of them are available in their Amazon store, but you can probably find more on Flexispot.com. You can use there my promo code, which is YTE7P50. It's up here on the screen, and you can copy that in the description as well to save $50 off the E7L standing desk. Also, check out their other interesting products. Like, I'm kind of very interested to see if I get my hands on one of their walking pads, right? So it's like a little treadmill almost, which is even better than standing to get those legs moving. And they have all kinds of other stuff on their website. It keeps growing, it seems. They've got recliners, outdoor kitchens, all kinds of things. I hope you enjoyed this review, and make sure you check out our YouTube channel and check us out on halfchrome.com. I will see you guys next time.